So in this quick tutorial I will show you how to always show or hide Google Chrome bookmark. For that you need to go your setting first, and then for that you need to go setting, press on setting, and from here you need to go appearance, press on appearance, and see show bookmark bar. You have to enable it. Now I don't have any bookmark, so let's create some bookmark. Suppose I am creating a folder. This is my folder. I am adding another. Suppose I want to add this website on my bookmark. Done. You can also drag and drop to add your bookmark bar. So now go your setting again, appearance, show bookmark, gone. And if you want to show always bookmark here, you have to enable it. It's very simple. This is how you can easily add or hide or visible your bookmark on your Google Chrome. If you enjoy, please thumbs up, and if you have any question, feel free in comment section below. Thank you.